I'm on a 2010 Ford F-150, and today I'm going to show you how to add brake fluid. So first you open the hood, and then towards the driver's side here you should see this reservoir. This is your brake fluid reservoir. And then from here, double check your owner's manual or a good online source that you're using the best type of liquid for your particular make and model. That said, on the side there's a max line and then a minimum line. Ideally you want it somewhere near the max line and not completely full. There's supposed to be a little air gap. But when you're ready, just unscrew this cap, and either with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, just fill as needed till you're around that max line, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And you hardly ever should have to add to this system, so I would double check around for any cracks through the reservoir or the lines leading to it. See if you see any leaks that might need addressed. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.